Passed out all day. I had that time this morning. Every day, I play Russian roulette. I haven't lost, or won for that matter. I'm never sure which one it is.
How did I get here?
You walked, mostly, until you passed out at the bottom of the stairs.
The fight.
Head of the class.
Hey, get back here, you punk!
Listen, I don't usually step in when I come across situations like that. But you weren't winning, and you weren't gonna. So I figured, hell, why not? My turn.
Thanks.
Yeah, no, it was a thrill, you know. I didn't even know if I was gonna make it out of there. You wanna play?
No, I'm not. I don't. Why do you?
My mom named me Adriel Poe. You know what that means? Poe, as in Edgar Allan. You've heard of him? Everybody has. And then Adriel is a variation of Azrael, which is Hebrew for the angel of death. So, Lucas Stevens. What does that mean?
They're just names. What happens when you win?
I'll look up, see Azrael coming and say, "Hello, Mr. Angel. So good to meet you." So where you going?
Nowhere.
No bus pass and a backpack. Never going home.
Something like that.
So your reason? Or is it that you have no reason at all? Leave mom and dad in their house with the white picket fence, the 2.5 kids, yellow Labrador. Real fucking Norman Rockwell shit.
Nothing like that. Not even close. So how long have you been playing?
5 years, 2 months, and 17 days.
Why'd you start?
Because I was like you. Scared of my own shadow. But I figure every day that this thing don't go off in my head is like that death angel giving me a day pass to Disneyland. And you don't say no to that. Coming from no place, so eager to move on to no place. I mean, no buses run this late. Unless you want to hit her a whore. Do you?
No. I'm not into that.
I'm out for a bit. Stick around a while. Don't wait up.
I missed you.
I know.
Hey, thanks for everything. I'm gonna catch the 8:15 bus. So I should probably head out.
Forget it.